Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to check the compatibility of your PC for installing Windows 11. So to this end, you first need to open the search bar and right here in PC health check, and it comes at the top. Click on the PC health check and it takes you over here. So now PC health at a glance, so I need to click on the check. This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. What is the reason? There are two reasons. Number first, TPM2 must be supported and enabled on this PC. More about enabling TPM, and then the processor is not currently supported for Windows 11. More about, and if I click and see all results, I see this PC supports secure boot. There is at least 4 GB, so these are tick with green. So all the rest, there are 4 processor, that is okay. The system, this is 256 GB, it is supported. This one is okay, this one is okay, but the only issue, the main issue with my computer that is not compatible for Windows 11 is the processor issue. My processor is Intel Core i7-6700 2.60 GB, and the other one is the TPM. This is resolvable, the TPM, but this one is more challenging. So my processor is not supporting Windows 11, therefore I cannot. And if I click on the link here for CPU support, I may be able to reach this. Let me give the number of my Core i7 CPU. I click, I write this i7. So there are i7, these are the different processor with i7 that are supported. And now if I go to check this one, i7-6700HQ, I want to go dash 667, it is not listed. Oh, that's so bad. So the processor of my computer is not capable of running Windows 11, therefore I cannot install this window. So you can check the number of your processor on this site, learnmicrosoft.com. in Windows. You can check this from your computer and can give the name of your processor, whether it is eligible for installing Windows 11 or not. So my processor is not in the list, therefore I cannot install Windows 11. Thanks for watching.